Annoying you?
Yeah.
Well, what were you trying to do? What were you trying to do?
Trying to do pink and color.
Oh, that's your work? Did you get it done?
But he's trying to ignore me.
He's annoying you?
Yes.
Oh.
Because I'm trying to do my work.
All right, I'll talk to him about that.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome. I'll tell him he can't annoy you anymore. Is your work getting done?
Yeah, but I'm not finished.
All right. You got.
I'm finished with step one.
All right, get back to work.
I'm trying to work, but he's trying to ignore me.
All right, I'll tell him not to annoy you.
Where's my one? Is it?
I don't know what you do with it.
There. I know, that's my one. I don't see it. Look.
Yes?
A new pink one.
Oh.
Woo. Let's get a pick again.
Oh, good.